Quite the view. I was hoping to fall through there. Let's have a look at this other youngster. This is the slightly older calf. This one is probably, I would say, this little youngster maybe, I don't know, a month or so older than the other one, maybe 3 to 4 months. Mum's got an extra branch in the mouth there. Ooh. Isn't that beautiful? I'm hoping you can hear the little bird calling in the back. It's a white-browed scrub robin. It's singing a beautiful early morning song. And unfortunately, those two little ones in behind the bushes there now. But they were just meeting up with each other a little bit. You can imagine they've grown up on a very similar sort of timeline, similar experience. From tiny babies, they would have known each other as the two littlest ones. And I'm sure there's a friendship there already, which will be forged more and more over the next many years. There's some more teenagers coming through. Okay, slowly moving us around here. This herd is comfortable with us. It's a little bit sort of all very young monkey thorns, and they tend to be a bit noisy when you drive through them. Then again, elephants can be very noisy as well, so I'm hoping they're fine with us. Morning, ladies. It's okay, it's okay. It's alright. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Didn't quite see the tree there. Just looking at her eyes. This elephant's got very dark eyes, almost beautiful female. You can see she's back to eating, she's relaxed, perfect. Means the youngsters will now see, okay, mum's relaxed, maybe we can investigate our environment a little bit more, because suddenly there is something very curious around. Intelligent animals, so you can imagine something that's a little bit out of the norm, like maybe a little short Land Rover with two people on it, making a slightly funny buzzing noise, might be curious to an elephant. Look at that. Hey, little one. This youngster's got an amazing face. Look at it, it's got almost like wizened old lines on it already. It seems like it's an elephant that's already done a lot of living and thinking, even though it's only about, like I said, about 3 months old, 3.5 months. This is the same herd from the other day, Marco. same ones you heard. Definitely the female back there. When she comes out, she might come and show us her ears just now. We'll see that again. She's got these two deep, like almost thumbprint type shapes in the left ear. Look at the little one. And I really like this part when they really now have gotten comfortable with us. See, they're happy to eat along. There's no stress here, no worries really. It's always very special to be accepted amongst animals in terms of them just normally doing what they're doing. Elephants, often part of their normal behavior is being curious, but you can see there, no stress really. They're small. We are at the moment part of this herd. Oh, look at the Ellie again. Just had the open ears again, picking up a stick that I think is actually a dead stick. But any kind of trunk exercise is good for an elephant this age. Just getting those muscles exercised and coordinated. Oh, and the robin is having a proper song. No doubt you can hear that robin is singing loud and clear, and they've got a whole repertoire of songs that they can go through. Some of it just made up, and they also can mimic quite a few other bird calls, so if you listen carefully, you'll hear that it is changing slowly all the time. It's not the same tune over and over consistently. Oh, look at the southern boo-boo here. That's a bird we don't see very often. Just down on the ground here, just where the elephants have been feeding. Maybe they disturbed a few insects. This is a bird that is normally more in the thickest shadows, essentially a shrike, otherwise known as a southern boo-boo. It's the magic of just sitting still. Obviously, doing it with a herd of elephants around here is always interesting, but just to look around, just to really just forget about where you're going or where you've been or what you need to go do or have done or will do. Just really just sit around and slow down a little bit, listen. I mean, we've had a robin singing there, boo-boo is a bird, I think that's the first thing we've had. Ellies around us, little youngsters, a couple more that way.